Can anybody find me somebody to love? Each morning I wake up, I die later. Can barely stand in my feet. Take a look in the mirror and cry, Lord, what you doing to me? I spend all my years in believing you, but I just can't get no relief. Lord, somebody, can anybody find me somebody to love? I work hard every day of my life. I work till I ache my bones. At the end of the day, I take home my heart and all on my own. I get down on my knees and I start to pray till the fears run down from my eyes. Lord, somebody, can anybody find me somebody to love? Oh, every day I try, but everybody wants to kick me down. They said I'm going crazy. They say I got a lot of water in my head. I got no common sense. Nobody left to believe it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can anybody find me somebody to love? Somebody to love. Thank you so much.